SCON India Private Ltd is a leading provider of 3D scanning services in Dispur. With their advanced technology and expertise, they offer high-quality and accurate 3D scanning solutions to various industries. 3D scanning is a process that captures the shape and geometry of objects or spaces using laser or structured light technology. It allows for the creation of digital models that can be used for various purposes, such as prototyping, reverse engineering, quality control, and virtual reality applications. One of the key advantages of 3D scanning services is their ability to capture intricate details and complex geometries with precision. SCON India Private Ltd utilizes state-of-the-art equipment and software to ensure the highest level of accuracy in their scans. This level of detail is crucial in industries such as automotive, aerospace, and architecture, where precise measurements are essential for design, analysis, and manufacturing processes. Another benefit of 3D scanning services is the speed and efficiency they offer. Traditional methods of capturing object measurements can be time-consuming and require manual input. 3D scanning eliminates the need for manual measurements by digitally capturing the entire object in a matter of seconds. This not only saves time but also reduces the risk of errors and ensures consistency in measurements. SCON India Private Ltd understands the importance of customization and tailoring their services to meet the specific needs of their clients. They offer a range of 3D scanning solutions, including handheld scanners for smaller objects and stationary scanners for larger objects or environments. This flexibility allows them to cater to a wide range of industries and applications. Furthermore, SCON India Private Ltd provides additional services such as data processing and post-processing to ensure that the scanned data is ready for use in various applications. This includes cleaning up the scan data, aligning multiple scans, and creating watertight mesh models that can be used in CAD software or 3D printing. In conclusion, SCON India Private Ltd is a trusted provider of 3D scanning services in Dispur. With their advanced technology, expertise, and commitment to customer satisfaction, they offer high-quality and accurate 3D scanning solutions to various industries. Whether it's for prototyping, reverse engineering, or quality control purposes, their 3D scanning services can help businesses streamline their processes and improve their overall efficiency.